Happy Sunday everyone! It's me again, Lotiski Agliam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan. I'm going to show you about my house yan. Finally, natapos din ang aking tiles after 10 years. Yan. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano nila ginawa yon. Yan. Ginawa nung aking pamangkin at saka ng aking anak. Ayan. Sila yung gumawa. Hindi na ako nag-rent ng iba kasi alam naman ng aking pamangkin. Kaya kayo, kung gusto nyo mapatiles, kontakin nyo lang ako kasi marunong na yung aking pamangkin. Ayan. Okay? So, here it is.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, yeah.